I drive barefoot, patting and I'm going easy, is it?
Students, learn, play and win online in the Learn Jamaican Live School Quiz Show and start the fun before you visit Jamaica. No need to study for this quiz. We will teach you all you need to know in our virtual tour before you compete. All you need is a laptop, smartphone, and for your school to book a show. See description for details. What you will learn: activities and food to enjoy, basic conversation keys, basic travel tips, and more. Our digital timed quizzes are perfect for elementary up to university students. Conditions apply. Share this with your friends and tell us the name of your school in the comments. Tutors Engine.